喂！Hello， 大家好，又係我阿 Dee 啊！我今日嚟到 Paolo 餐廳，問下佢關於一啲意大利牛嘅嘢，一啲小知識，同埋叫佢煮嚿意大利牛食。喂，整好添啊
Look what I got here.
哇
Chianina beef, porterhouse, the real porterhouse steak.
哇
I want you to try.
哇，睇下先。
This is Tuscan beef.
Toscan beef。
Yeah, from Tuscany. So this animal, it's an animal that in the old days, when there was no machine, was used to work the land as a power to work. So it was a working
cow.
Yeah. But with time, we estimated the value and the taste of this, and it's very good.
Whoa.
It's very good. It's, for me, it's a very distinctive taste. You cannot compare with other beef. I personally really like that.
Oh, let's try.
Yeah. You want the tenderloin or the sirloin?
Sirloin first.
Sirloin first. Okay.
Every beef, if they're delicious, should try the sirloin.
All right. That's why the English call it sirloin.
Yeah, you know the story about the sirloin? Do you know? Mm-hmm. They send it to the king, and then what is this? This is sirloin. I just heard from other head chef.
It's true. It's that they give a class, a name to a cut. Very tasty.
個皮好脆，跟住個肉咧，嗰個濃，嗰個牛肉個濃度咧係好甜好香，樣嘢唔同，要咬嘅。This is not really soft, but the meat is very good.
As a bite, as a bite.
You have to bite. 佢好味嗰個咧，一般你食西冷咧，你會覺得好鞋啊，好難食啊。咁但係依個唔係，依個係你要咬，但係你每咬一啖咧都好甜嘅。係好唔同嘅，係好香嘅。
Tenderloin now.
係啊 I still want the sirloin, but
okay, let's
you
do
tell
one
me,
more.
you tell me the tenderloin, then I try.
Let's try. Yes, sir.
哇 ，horseradish， 喂
Sorry, too much.
哇
I love the horseradish with the Italian beef.
哇
Fresh horseradish.
正啊！哇唔得，好辣啊！哇，好辣啊 ！I want to ask you about how many Italian beef in Italian? How many kind of beef?
Well, this one, Chianina, it's very similar to the other kind of cow we have in the north, which is all white cow.
White cow.
Yeah, white cow. The one that we like in the north side is called Fassone. Fassone from Piedmont. It's a very strong animal with the big muscles.
Can you show me?
Yeah,
can you show me the pictures?
I'll show you the picture. It's like a cow that goes to the gym. And that one is a little bit harder in terms of consistency. So that one, most of the Piemontese people, they eat raw, like a tartare.
Eat tartare.
Yeah, like a tartare. It's no fat, you know?
No fat.
No fat. That's
Zero fat. 我而家知佢講緊 Fassone 係邊隻牛。Fassone 嗰隻牛咧，就係大家會有睇過有一條片咧，或者有啲片咧，見到有隻牛咧係咁嘅樣㗎，係咁嘅樣㗎，好恐怖啊！嗰隻牛，嗰隻牛咧係一隻好似嗰啲成隻好似喺度打交咁樣。That one only for Carpaccio, right?
Carpaccio tartare is the best way to do it because.
How about burger? Can you do it burger?
Of course, burger, anything tender is good.
How about sous vide?
Sous vide can help a bit, but
a bit only a bit， 即係少少嘅連。
The muscle are really strong.
哦，即係話俾你聽咧，連慢煮都唔得，咁咧就只能夠係 Carpaccio。
Yeah。
即係話咧煮到熟晒都係韌嘅，咁啊真係好恐怖啊 ！How about another cow?
Well, then there's other white cow on the other side of Italy as well. There is one that's called Maremmana. Maremmana, which is also in Tuscany. There's a friend of mine which makes a mix between Maremmana, which is also muscle strong meat, and cross it with some Angus.
Angus?
Yeah, he mix together these two brands, and these two breeds, they make a Marango. That's what they call it.
Marango.
Yeah, so half Maremmana, half Angus, he call it Marango. Very tasty, that one.
哇 Maremmana 同埋 Angus 就變咗有一隻新嘅牛種。 咁 that is not an original.
No, that's
Italian cow.
No, that's not. Then there is a Marchigiana, also
Marchigiana.
another white cow, which is very similar to Chianina. Let's say it's also in the similar kind of range of meat, and they all have the all brand. You know,
Brand.
they all locally recognized from the European community.
啊
They have a
，OK。
special seal.
咁咧就其實仲有幾款唔同嘅牛嘅，咁咧當然啦，我聽完佢講之後咧，我一定會試下睇下可唔可以喺歐洲度訂翻嚟自己試。Can we try to order those cow come back to try together？
We can, of course.
哇
We
正
can.
啊，咁啊好
We
啦，
can try one by
Wow.
one and compare.
哇正啊，哇！How come you cook like this crispy？
It's the charcoal grill that makes it
Wow.
nice crust.
Really? Can you show us?
Of course.
Finish this.
And then we
食
cook
完我
another.
哋就入去睇下究竟佢點樣可以將一嚿 Chianina 嘅牛，呢個牛種嘅牛點解咧？因為意大利牛咧其實就有少少韌嘅，但係佢係煮到咧啱啱好，仲要有嚼口，唔係一啲人哋食嗰啲其他歐洲牛咧好韌好鞋咁樣。我哋睇下究竟佢用咗咩爐同埋點樣去整先。好 ，let's go。喂
I bring my
Okay.
horseradish.
Yeah. 喂 ，Paolo，you use this one？ 你用呢個煮啊？
Yeah, we're gonna use this. It's a charcoal. We use the real charcoal. You see?
喂
We put it inside and we cook with charcoal.
，you cook with charcoal？
Yes.
Do you have the license？
Of course, we have the license. So
How can
now
you take the license？
We got the license in Hong Kong. We got license for charcoal. We have a UV light filter to clean all the charcoal pollution from it.
哇，勁啊！我話俾你聽，我好少見到人哋有炭啊，正啊！呢次正啊，用炭燒啊，
So now you can see it's quite high, right? The temperature.
200幾，
Yeah, it's good.
而家
Now,
200幾度。
Yeah. So we have the Chianina beef here. We're gonna put it in now. Okay.
How long you will cook？
We
要煮
cook
幾耐
it maybe 20 minutes.
？20 minutes。
Yeah.
OK
All right. That's it.
OK。條友咧用兩種炭㗎，一種咧係備長炭，另外一種係普通炭，佢係兩溝㗎，正啊！
You know, in Tuscany, the porterhouse they cook like this
Yeah, but why you don't cook like that?
because cannot fit in my jospa. But this before they invented the jospa because they say the heat travel through the bone.
Oh, from that
Yeah.
going out.
Yeah. So on the grill like that, they put it like that, and then this part of the bone, the T-bone, travel the heat and can cook up to here.
所以大家話咧要整一個 porterhouse 或者 TBone 都好啦。點解 TBone 要凍起咧？佢話用炭爐咧係喺下邊慢慢滲熱上去。
But open grill barbecue like that is better because otherwise get overcooked at the tip because it's small, right? So this system you can heat up all evenly this side.
OK，
The heat already go in this thicker size. So it's a traditional Tuscan style to cook. Okay, I think it's ready, Adi. We
Okay.
take it out, okay? A little bit rare now. Yeah, you can see. Nice. Huh?
哇！咁咧就唔同大家講咁多啦，多謝啦，thank you Paolo。
Thank
咁
you
啊
guys.
多謝佢。
Grazie.
Grazie，
Yes
啊係，即係拜拜啦。咁啊，下條片見。咁啊，第一次食唔同嘅意大利牛，我覺得咧係非常好食嘅。咁啊，有啲咩想講留言，多謝大家，拜拜
Ciao.
，ciao。嘿，彩蛋，喂，唔該拎走啦，喂，好。 咁我想同大家講咧，其實意大利牛咧好食。咁好食嗰個地方咧，就係其實咧佢係要嚼嘅，係有咬口嘅。佢唔係樣樣牛。其實我想話俾你聽，唔同國家就唔同國家嘅味道、唔同風味、唔同質感、唔同嘅方法去飼養，所以你咬到嘅牛，譬如英國牛會好 Q 韌，但係好甜。跟住喺意大利牛咧，其實有腍啲啦、韌少少啦、好好味啦。頭先你聽到有啲都係做生牛肉啦，所以咧記得唔好去 judge。喂，依嚿牛唔好食，都係邊嚿牛好食？百貨百客，100樣牛就要俾100款人去食。咁但係我話俾你聽，我係覺得個意大利牛都好好食，係咁多，唔同你哋講。Ciao。